Welcome to NetSkeme. Let's start by signing up for a free trial. Note, no credit card information is needed, and you can pick between NetSkeme and our more customizable version, NetSkeme Plus. Once inside the application, you can select subscription details to view or change your trial subscription. I will be conducting this overview in NetSkeme Plus. Keep in mind that some of the more advanced customization options do not appear in NetSkeme. Manipulate drawing settings and preferences, including units, custom drawing templates, preferred manufacturers, and list settings. Explore display settings to set how you want to view your workspace. I'm starting from scratch today, but I could also open up any DWG file or bring in a schematic from HydroCAD. While opening the Library Explorer, you can choose from NetSkeme supplied data or My Library for components, or insert external ports. You can view data sheets by selecting the PDF icon. You can search by manufacturer, component type, or model code. Double-click to insert, and right-click to set additional model data. You can also click and drag a symbol into the workspace, then fetch model data from the library. The right-click menu is also helpful in manipulating a symbol within the workspace. If you'd like to make a custom symbol, you can either right-click to edit an existing symbol or enter Symbol Build Mode on the left side of the screen. You can work from thousands of ISO-compliant components or use basic drawing commands to create the symbol you need. From here, you can save locally to your desktop or save to your online library accessible within NetSkeme Plus. We also have a sectional valve configurator for added design flexibility. Once we have a design laid out, we can insert an envelope and add ports. From here, we can make connections with a variety of different connection lines. We can also insert parts lists, ports lists, and even export the parts list to Excel. Note that if anything changes within the schematic, you can reinsert an updated parts or ports list. When finishing a manifold design, users can export to a 3D design tool like NetBlock 3D or MD Tools. Within the 3D design product, the XML from NetSkeme can be uploaded, then components can be inserted with smart network connectivity information. NetSkeme drawings can be saved locally as DWG, PDF, or DXF files. Please feel free to explore our YouTube channel for short tutorials and past webinars. You may also contact support@netskeme.com for more information.